Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add or remove follow button to your Facebook page. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open Facebook app, look for menu options and tap on it. Go to your personal Facebook profile. Once loaded, click on the three dots in the middle of your profile page. A menu will pop up. In this menu, select Turn on Professional Mode. Once you activate professional mode, your profile will automatically have a follow button. To check it, click on three dots on your profile. Now select View As. There you can see it, my profile has now follow button. Now, let's go back to the menu page. Here in the upper right-hand corner, click on the down arrow to switch your page profile. Then click on the name to open your Facebook page. Once you are on your Facebook page, go to Menu, and in the menu tap on your Facebook page name. Here, click on three dots on your page. Now select View As. There you can see Facebook as a like option. Note that Facebook has updated the system, so pages no longer have a separate follow button. When someone likes your page, they automatically follow it. And to remove follow button from your page, you just have to turn off the professional mode, and your page will no longer have follow or like button. So, that's basically how you can add or remove follow button to your Facebook page. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.